Hey, it's Paul Banis of GreatDad.com, and he's Hayden, and we are here again
with a Cairn bag
for April 2019. And I love the way you're suddenly realizing that it's leaking powder all over you, because I noticed this and had to clean up after it.
Oh no.
Oh no. So we know we have some powdery substance within the bag. So tell them what a Cairn Box is.
So a Cairn Box is a box that you get for around $30. You get up to $50 worth of items in the bag or the box.
Yeah.
So
makes a great present for yourself or for somebody you love. Nice surprise every month, especially if you like the outdoors and camping. You like tasty snacks, because there's always some snacks in there, right?
Always.
Okay, be careful, because it's all over my pants, it's all over the floor.
It's everywhere.
But luckily we have beige colored carpet, and your mother never watches these videos, so she will never know.
Oh, jeez.
Oh. It just keeps on coming. Hold it this way, I think. Hold it straight up. Yeah.
No.
No! Okay.
It's no. You gotta.
Let's just get it over with. The faster we pull the powder out of there, the better. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Alright, here's the first thing you look at. Oh my gosh.
The rat sack.
The rat sack? I think the rats have gotten to this bag. The rat sack, it's like it's a mesh bag?
Yeah.
It's a mesh, oh that's good.
Oh, it has powder in it.
Wow, that's like to keep an animal inside.
To keep the animal out, in fact.
Keep the animal out?
Or
is that what it is?
Yeah, use as food and supply protection from critters, as an underwater or beach collection bag, or a drag bag for keeping veggies cold.
Man, you could get small lobsters in there. You could. It's metal mesh. You can't really tell, but it's actually a metal mesh bag. Okay.
Stainless steel mesh.
Stainless steel mesh
with nylon webbing.
Okay. I hope this is not what this is. Okay, this is strawberry granola.
I think that's it.
I don't think that's what's leaking, though.
What is leaking?
Strawberry granola, Milsom granola with strawberries and milk. I guess just add water and you've got milk.
No, that's definitely leaking.
Huh?
Yep, the top is open.
Oh, okay. Do you think we can eat that? It smells like granola and milk. Okay, that's the Peak Refuel strawberry granola. 23 grams of protein per pouch. 2 servings, just add water.
Yeah.
What do you think we're down to? About 1.75 servings.
Probably less than that.
Yep. All right. And then we have some bubble wrap, which didn't do a very good job with the granola, but hey. Oh, man.
All over the place. The last item. Yeah, all of it. All of it is in there. Last thing is a paracord.
They could have sent a vacuum cleaner with this one.
325 paracord is durable, 100% nylon cordage.
Right. And we are scaling Yosemite next month, so we can use this. We can always use an extra paracord.
Yes.
Okay. So we've got the newspaper. We don't have a sticker, but we do have the newspaper, which
also has a lot of crumbs.
Yeah.
All over the place.
Yeah. We have a lot of
Peak refueling. Work on your packaging.
Yeah. Peak refuel. Okay, so that's about $50 worth of value. I wonder how much this must be the big ticket item, you think?
Or the paracord.
The paracords are expensive?
You never know.
You never know. Medium
Maybe
duty,
it's the
resistance
snack. I don't know. I doubt it though.
Yeah, probably not. Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Paul Banis of GreatDad.com. He's Hayden. That's it for April Cairn Box. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the button, all that stuff. Bye.